This unit is a great deal. It's not gonna stay on the market very long. It's Airbnb friendly, it's got a view, and you don't have to remodel. So if you invest into an apartment like this one where you don't have to do much, you're already winning. Welcome back to MREI, Medellin Real Estate Investments. My name is Andrew. I've been living in Colombia for 14 years. And in those 14 years, I've helped people just like yourself buy their dream apartment. In this video, we're gonna go over an apartment located in the San Lucas neighborhood of El Poblado. You're gonna wanna stick until the end of this video where I go over the most important part. Now let's get into it. Okay, as I said before, this one's in the San Lucas neighborhood. This is on the 7th floor of this building right here. You can see that it's got great access to this road right here, and it's a quiet neighborhood. If you know anything about El Poblado, this is a great neighborhood. It's got its own parking spot as well. And don't mind the mess, there were Airbnb tenants here. So as we walk in here, the first thing you see is a little living room, but right to the left, next to the door, is a half bath, which is the shared bathroom or the common bathroom. And then we're gonna walk towards this dining table, but we're gonna hang a left into the kitchen. As you can see, this is pretty much turnkey. Everything here is pretty new and nothing has to be really replaced. Here's where you have the washing machine. You could put a washing machine dryer combo, and there's a maid's quarter back here, which could be used as an extra bedroom, storage, or an actual maid's quarters if you're gonna be living in it and having a maid. So as we walk out, you could see that living room again by the entrance. Here's the dining table with a little deck outside where it has somewhat of a view towards the east of the city. And it actually looks really beautiful. Everywhere in Medellin looks beautiful because you've got so much greenery. As you could see, it was a beautiful day, meaning that the clouds were low hanging. It looks very mystical. Great place to have a coffee. And walking back into the second living room where they have a TV there, but you could probably make that into an office. You could do anything with that, really. What I really love about this place is the floors. You don't have to do anything with the floors here. And really not much to remodel. So as we're going into the hall, we'll go into the rooms here. As we hang a right into the first bedroom, you can see that these older buildings have bigger bedrooms than the newer buildings. That's what I love about the older ones. As we leave this next bedroom and go into the second bedroom, again, pretty ample. You could probably fit a queen size bed there pretty easily. Here's the shared bathroom, which is a full bath. Again, not much remodeling here. I keep mentioning that, but this is a great property because of that, and it's a great deal also. This is the master bedroom, very big. You could probably fit a king size bed in here. And the master bathroom, as you can see, really beautiful. A lot of white, to be honest, but it makes it look a lot cleaner. And the walk-in closet, which is great. Don't mind the mess again. These are tenants. All right, walking back towards the rest of the apartment again. As you can see, this apartment is pretty darned big, and the building itself is an older building, but it looks classic. It looks beautiful. It's got great views. It has amenities as well. So as we're walking out here at the back of the building, we're gonna see some of these amenities. As you can see, there's a kids' playground there with some grass. If you've got pets, it's family friendly. Again, the road is on the back here, and but the noise levels were not that bad. Okay, I'm walking down these stairs here. As you can see, somebody's walking a dog here. We're walking towards the pool. The pool is pretty cool. As we get there, you'll see. But what I love about this neighborhood is that it's very lush, meaning that you're surrounded by the jungle, really. You get a lot of great scenery. And here I'm walking towards the pool, but before the pool, there's the barbecue spot where you can have, birthday parties, celebrations. There's a public bathroom there for anybody in the building to use as you're using the amenities. And here is the pool. The pool is not a gigantic pool, but it is nice. As you can see, this was midday and there was nobody there. This tells you a lot about this building. It's probably a lot of just Colombians that live in there that are probably working during the day. There's a sauna in here, which is nice to have. There's a shower there as well. And there is a steam room. So there's a Turkish bath, I should say. Turkish bath and the sauna, which is great. heading back out towards the pool here. As you can see, this apartment is pretty nice. This building is one of a kind because it's 28 years old and it still looks pretty darn cool. Now, if you want us to help you find your dream apartment, make sure to fill out the form. The link is in the description and also on the pinned comment. We'll get back to you to see if we're a good fit. All right, let's explore this surrounding area. This one is located in the San Lucas neighborhood. So if you go into Google Maps and type in San Lucas, El Poblado, Medellin, zooms in right there. The great thing about this area is that it is surrounded by nature. It's family friendly, meaning that there's a lot of buildings with just Colombian local families living in it. There's no nightlife in this area. The beautiful thing is that you are close enough to, for example, Calle 10, which is up here. Here's Calle 10. So you're near all of the restaurants and all of the nightlife, etc., but you are well enough away from it that you're never gonna hear any of that. You're not gonna get a lot of noise. You're gonna get mostly just tranquility. If that's what you're looking for, this is the place to be. What is nearby? There's not much in this area itself, but if you go outside of San Lucas, for example, if you go down this way, you've got Parque La Frontera, which is right here, a big park. You've also got the museum called Museo El Castillo, which is right here, beautiful area. Also, there is a Price Mart very close to the building. It's right there. There's the Price Mart for all of your wholesale shopping. Pretty much American style, but you get a lot of great deals. And finally, my favorite thing around this neighborhood is called Super Bowling. I'm gonna click on it here. Super Bowling is a new bowling alley, a very fun time, as you can see here. You can go with the family, it's family friendly, but you can also go there to have drinks with friends, bowl, play pool, or just have dinner. This is a great area to live in, and it's also a good area to have as an Airbnb, because again, you are close enough to the restaurants and the nightlife, but you are far enough away that you're gonna have peace and quiet. All right, let's talk numbers. This one's listed at 750 million Colombian pesos, which is about 185,000 US dollars. It's 120 square meters big, which brings the square meter to about 1,500 US dollars, which is 6,250,000 Colombian pesos per square meter. If you know anything about the real estate market here, you know that the new buildings in El Poblado, in this area, are about 14 million per square meter plus. We're talking about very expensive. So this unit is a great deal. It's not gonna stay on the market very long. It's Airbnb friendly. It's got a view. It's pretty big, and you don't have to remodel. I know how much remodeling costs because I've done it 5 times. For an apartment that's 120 square meters, you're gonna be spending about 70,000 US dollars to remodel it completely and make it look stunning. So if you invest into an apartment like this one where you don't have to do much, you're already winning. If you wanna continue seeing some great deals, make sure to watch this video right here.